Hello, hello, now lang me nag-visit because I am so busy. Kumusta kayo? I know your eggs are too. How about now? Can I see your eggs? Negraan, Bulaw. Bulaw is sleeping now. This is Father Bulaw and Mother Nongnong. And their two babies, big now. May I see your eggs? I hear your eggs are too. How about now? Thank you. Thank you.